Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Chip Szymanski and welcome to Spring Safe. Today we will be discussing different exercises that you can use to help to stabilize and strengthen your low back.
Our first exercise is the prone Cobra pose in two positions. The first position is with your hands down, and you can see she's having a pretty good arch there. And again, these exercises are designed to help you to establish or re-establish the arch in your low back here.
So there are two key points that everyone should remember when doing this exercise. The first one is that you need to keep your hips on the ground while you're doing the exercise. The second one is that the objective of this exercise is to enhance the curvature of your low back. So you do want to feel some stress or some discomfort in the low back or the muscle contracting in the low back while you're doing this.
The next exercise is the single arm and leg raise. With this exercise, what you're trying to do is strengthen the low back area and also the upper torso area.
Some key points about this exercise is that you have to be parallel, as in your hips and pelvis should be parallel or level with the ground. Oftentimes what I see is that people are moving or shifting the hips one way or the other as the same side leg, or shifting their torso as the same side arm trying to raise. So, and that oftentimes will cause, a rotation, and then you're not really specifically strengthening the muscle that is designed to do based upon this exercise.
Next exercise is this full Superman. In this exercise, the objective is to strengthen the upper back and the low back.
A couple key points to remember about the full Superman is that you should be looking upward, trying to extend your neck and upper torso upward, along with trying to get the nice arch in your low back by extending your legs and hips and pelvis upward, keeping again the upper torso level with the ground and your hips level with the ground.
The next exercise is the bridge.
With the bridging, a couple key points to remember is that it is one of the best, if not the best exercise to really strengthen your core. Your core is what helps to stabilize your low back to prevent against back injuries. That particular muscle is called the transverse abdominis muscle, and bridging is again one of the best ways to strengthen your low back to stabilize the core muscles.
The next exercise is the bridge with the single leg raise. This exercise is a more advanced way of doing a bridge to help to strengthen your low back. The next exercise is the quattroped opposite arm and leg raise. This exercise is actually easier than some of the other low back exercises to strengthen the low back, particularly the Superman prone exercises.
So a good way to incorporate these exercises into your exercise regimen is to do these exercises 3 times a week. Regarding the reps and sets, if you are in pain, you should keep your reps to 6 to 8 repetitions and do it about 3 sets. If you're not in pain, you should do about 8 to 10 repetitions and do about 3 to 4 sets. Thanks for joining us, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like our videos, and we'll see you next time.